fine, and we're ready for the media round. Oh, we don't
Baby
even know
girl
where.
is ready.
So do you feel like basically there's anything to still remedy like your relationship now that you're out?
My relationship before the house.
Yes.
Well, I personally don't want to go back into that, but I would still love to have a conversation with the person.
Okay.
Just to clear things out.
So that means there's a possibility that you and J-Paul might actually kick things
J-Paul?
off. Yeah.
Why did you think so?
You know.
Reported to have.
That was an artist.
You say you supposed last reach the time when you last reach.
Well, I didn't expect this, but I'm just blown away from what I've seen.
Yeah, because even us outside the shop, who they vote for you?
I feel that.
Who did you think for you was, or if it's more than one person, were the top contenders?
So first, I thought Boma,
Okay.
because of his status outside the house, and then Maria too, same thing, because she had a very strong personality in the house. So yeah.
Is there any possibility that we're going to be calling you Teacher Yousef, or is it completely different?
Well, it's completely gonna be I'm gonna be chasing my movies career. Yeah, I'm gonna be chasing modeling, traveling outside the world.
Ladies and gentlemen, Yousef.
Pick a side, left or right. Say this last week, you just did sure say I did go house this week because you did talker.
No, not be so. I just want to give myself that vibe so that if I come out,
Yeah.
I don't go feel
You
bad.
don't go back, yeah.
Jebo,
But he's in love with you,
you know that you love it so much. You can have your children the other way around.
Do you have a relationship outside?
Oh man, no, I don't.
So you're not trying to get with people?
I'm not trying to get with anybody.
Oh my God, no! I was supposed to be the mother of the day at your wedding. We picked color blue. What is going on?
It's like bypassing.
Hi guys, what's up? You're good.